The SureTrack community is a collaborative online resource that gives you access to thousands of professional automotive technicians across North America. You can not only get help with difficult vehicle questions, but also contribute to the community by answering other technicians' questions and sharing tips for vehicle diagnostics and repair. The SureTrack community page is laid out to give you easy access to the different parts of it. The main page you land on when entering the community is the latest activity page. It contains the navigation for the different parts of the community across the top and the leaderboard on the right. There are also filtering tools available. To ask a question, go to the SureTrack community page and click the tab for Ask the Experts. If you are not logged in as an individual community member, you will be prompted to do so or set up an account. Otherwise, the form will be displayed. The vehicle you are posting the question for is shown right at the top of the form. Change it now if the vehicle is not correct. Fill in the fields, attach any useful graphics or files, and then click Preview to see what your question will look like, and then click Submit to ask your question of the community. Make sure that your question is complete with all the details a technician would need to help you. There are links provided next to the fields for See Examples to guide you in how to ask a question. The community includes a robust automated notification and subscription system which helps you get answers to your questions quickly, typically within a few minutes. The community has many members who monitor questions for particular vehicle lines to ensure that the questions get answered quickly. Once you have repaired the vehicle, you are encouraged to close out your question with the fix that then becomes part of the greater SureTrack data system to help future technicians who may come across this same repair issue.